Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how to cut two different colors of vinyl on one mat in Cricut Design. So this is the image I'm using. As an example, as you can see, the image only has two colors. Make sure your image is already ungrouped. So I'm going to select the black part so I can grab the red headband and place it right here between the 4 and 6 inches square. And then I'm going to grab the lips as well. So I'm going to grab this image and place it back up here. Select all. Attach. Make it. So I'm going to zoom in so I can see how I'm going to place my black vinyl on this part right here and then the red vinyl on this side. So I'm going to click continue. So here's the mat with the black vinyl and the red vinyl. The black vinyl is about 3 3/4 in width, and then the red one is about 2.5 inches in width. Then we go ahead and place this mat into the machine. Start cutting. So now I'm going to weed the vinyl. So this is how to cut two different colors of vinyl on one mat in Cricut Design. Alright you guys, if you find this video helpful, please give it a like, and if you want to see more, don't forget to click subscribe below. Thank you for watching, and I'll talk to you guys later.